and welcome to my Suzuki GS 750 calf racer build. Right, I need to apologise because last week I said I was going to be doing the controls on the bike. I've not been able to do it. Basically, I've not had the time to do it. I've booked a holiday like really short notice, like really short notice. So I've just struggled to get any content together at all. It's not just the controls that I need to do on the bike. I need to come up with a solution to sort the steering lock out. Because the suspension's lower and the handlebars lower, they're knocking on the tank, so can't have that. I've got something in mind. Well, I've got the idea, the plan that I'm going to go with the bike. I just haven't been able to put it into creation, as it were. So I've not had any time this week to focus on that. So I don't want to leave it there because I've still got a bit of work to do on the bike. So what we're going to do is just fit the new clutch cable on the bike and clutch cover. Well, not the clutch cover, but the clutch cable and I don't know what you call it. It's like an engine cover. The clutch mechanism, should we say. So that needs to be done. So stick around, let's get into it. Okay, so what I need to do now is adjust the clutch. So here we have a locking nut and then a threaded bolt which goes onto the clutch basket kind of push rod. So what I need to do is undo this lock nut and then play around with this threaded bolt. So we'll undo the lock nut first. There you go. Right. Now the manual states to wind this in until you get high resistance, then run it back a quarter. So I'll do that now. That's high resistance there. So I'm going to take it back a quarter. And then just tighten that up. Right, so that's done. So now I need to take out the slack in the cable at the kind of clutch mechanism side. So what I'll do is just tighten this up or loosen it depending on how much kind of slack I need. Okay, left a bit of slack in there. Right, last bit to adjust now is the cable at the clutch lever end. So all we do is just wind this out until we've got a good bite, which feels pretty good there, and then tighten the locking nut up. Simple. So there you have it. Clutch cable is now fitted on the bike. Again, I do apologise for the shortness of the video. It's kind of short but sweet. Well, depending on the editing, of course. We'll see at the end of this. But we'll resume next week. We'll get back on the bike. And if you enjoyed the build series, please have a look at my other videos. It's greatly appreciated. And thank you to the new subscribers. Thanks for coming along and watching the build series. And I will catch you next week, maybe with a tan.